Hello dears, right now our topic is limits. We'll cover different forms and different methods to find out the limits which may not be covered in your board examinations or your 11th class. Now you just understand what are the indeterminate forms. Indeterminate forms are those forms in which we are not able to find out that what is the exact value. Like 0 is a quantity which have no magnitude and infinite is a quantity which is very larger. But what about 0 by 0? We cannot identify that whether it is 0 or whether it is equals to 1 or whether it is equals to infinite. So these kind of the forms are called as indeterminate forms. There are total 7 indeterminate forms which is written in your screen, and to resolve these we have to apply the L'Hospital rule. Now, it will be applicable in these two forms if it is of 0 by 0 form or infinite by infinite form. If you are applying the limit, then if f of a and g of a both are 0, then it will be 0 by 0 form. Then your limit will become L equals to limit x is tending towards a f dash x upon g dash x. If it again comes out to be 0 by 0 form, you can again differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. How? You just see the concept. Like in this question, limit x is tending towards 0 sine x minus x whole upon x cube. If I am applying the limit, then it comes out to be 0 minus 0 upon 0. It means it is 0 by 0 form. So it is an indeterminate form. To resolve this one, we can apply the L'Hospital rule. So this L will be equals to limit x is tending towards 0. We have to differentiate the numerator separately and denominator separately. Again, remind my dear that you should not apply the quotient rule to differentiate this one. Okay, you have to differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. Now the differentiation of the numerator will be cos x minus 1 upon 3x square. Now if I am applying the limit right now, that will become 1 minus 1 upon 0. That again comes out to be 0 by 0. As I have told you that if it again comes out to be a 0 by 0 form, you can again apply the L'Hospital rule. So L will be equals to limit x is tending towards 0. If you again differentiating this, then your output will be sine x upon 6x. If I'm applying the limit again, third time again it comes out to be 0 by 0 form. So what I have to do right now, again I can apply the L'Hospital rule, and this will be limit x is tending towards 0. It is minus of cos x upon 6. If I'm applying the limit right now, my answer will be minus 1 by 6. So whatever be the number of times it appears to be 0 by 0 form, you can differentiate the numerator as well as the denominator. You can have any number of examples, and you just remember, my dear, these kind of methods are not valid in your board's examinations, but these are very helpful in your competitive examinations, and obviously it will take very lesser time than your any of the other method. And in 80% of the cases you can use this method. Okay dears, any confusion in this? You want to have some more examples? Yes, that is possible, but I think that would be very easy, and you just apply them. And uh, okay, now that would be better that we just start the second method. What is that second method? You understand that? That method is limit when x is tending towards infinite. Limit when x is tending towards infinite. I think it is the easiest form. Like first form was the L'Hospital form, okay, and second form when the limit is tending towards infinite. It is the easiest format, and what we have to do, we can apply the L'Hospital as well as we can take common from the numerator as well as the denominator, highest power of x common from numerator and denominator. How it is, I am just giving a small example.